Hello, mentor. My name is Mercy Calingasan, and I prepare a simple proposal of the system that I would like to improve is about retail companies. My proposal title is an enterprise information system for retail companies. Background of the project. With the advancement of information technologies, especially Internet technologies, various information systems had been introduced to enterprises, helping them accomplish core business processes through a digital network. Information system refer to a set of interrelated components which collect, process, store, and distribute information to support decision making, coordination, and control. Different kinds of enterprise information system (EIS) can serve various management level and enhance different business process, some of which are mainly intended to supply chain management while other focused on customer relationship management. However, many retail companies, especially small and startup retail companies, lack an online system to manage internal inventory information and transfer products within different branches. This may cause a situation in which consumer must wait for a long time while employees manually check stock shelves for products or find information on the computer and call another branch for single item. Consequently, the author process to build an EIS for retail companies internal inventory management which can be easily implemented. The objective and goals of my project is the primary goal of this project is to build an EIS as a central data processing unit which can be utilized in various retail companies for their daily activities coordination, including number 1, daily inventory management. This is talking about sharing inventory levels of all branches with employees to respond to customer orders more efficiently. Product transfer, providing a platform for staff from different branches to request product online. Sales analysis, performing inventory and sales data analysis to understand the consumer preferences in different regions in informing managers' decision making. About the function and features. Enterprises information systems are commonly used by large retail companies to effectively manage their business and daily activities. For example, the big company Zara, the international retail giant, uses information system to optimize its whole supply chain and provide quick response in bringing the latest fashion to retail consumer. Fashion ideas move from the design concept phase to finished product in just 10 days. 5 days later, shopper can buy the clothes in more than 850 stores around the world. Zara uses this technology to its advantage to improve both the consumer experience and its prominence in the fast fashion world. But technology should serve not only big businesses, but small business as well. With the example of Zara in mind, the idea of adapting technology to support small and startup retail companies occurred to me. Therefore, I aim to explore an easy yet effective method for retail companies to manage their inventory and coordinate daily activities with the aid of information system. Just as small business use free Google products such as Gmail, Drive, and Docs to improve their efficiency. My hope is that a smaller company without large IT budget can use this system to enhance this efficiency and performance in today's competitive business world. Requirement needed for development. In this project, two main types of information system, namely Transaction Processing System (TPS) and Enterprise Application (EA), are adapted to build the Inventory Management (AIS). These are used with the fundamental IT tools including database system, object-oriented development, and SQL and C++ programming language. About TPS, Transaction Processing System. A TPS is used to perform and record daily routine transactions for operational managers and staff. For example, each branch of Giordano may have its own TPS to help it store to sell records every day and update inventory level into database. In this inventory management EIS project, TPS could help to collect data, build a database in MySQL, and generate reports to each independent branch of a retail companies. MySQL will be used to design the database for data management and storage. The rational model terminology will be applied in this design and used to build the relational model database. This database is a collection of relations with distinct relation names where a relation refers to a table with columns and rows. The object-oriented method is employed in the relationship design. About EA, Enterprise Application. Apart from the basic TPS and then Enterprise System, ES, a major application of EA will be selected. ES, Enterprise System, collects information from different branches, TPS, and store this data in the single central data repository. So resolve the problem of data fragmentation and to respond to customer orders more efficiently. ES plays a significant role as a coordinator of data communication between retail branches. It is composed of integrated software modules and a common central database which allow the information entered by one branch to be available to other branches, can access to inventory information of other branches, and make online requests to product transfer through the ES. About front-end user interface. In addition to TPS and ES, which work together to store and manage the information in database, SQL will be used with other programming languages such as HTML5, JavaScript, and C++ to create the user interface and facilitate access to the information in the database. A common scenario with the illustrates the use is when a customer asks an employee to locate a specific item, and employee can then consult a handheld device for accurate details. The figure below that I show you later on show the outlines the process of searching the sale record from the system by illustrating the logic design of the programming language and code. For example, I'm the common employees. I start, then I can log in successfully, then input the product number, then select inventory levels from table, sales record, and database. Print to screen. Are there any branches having this product? If yes, then refer to back again to select inventory levels from table, sales record in the database. Then go on. Then print the screen. Then end. You will know if there's the particular product the customer asked for. So then finally, a login system will be conducted based on the C++ Virtual Studio to ensure that the internal staff can access the data. The next flowchart is about the internal staff can access the data. So they start, enter the employee number, then check the employee number, then enter the password, Then